Going northbound, getting up to the 52, so heads up on that. All right, that wraps it up for traffic and weather. Heather and Raul, let's go outside now with you.
Chrissy, thank you. We'll get this. The Fleet Science Center is turning 50 years old.
Who isn't? And we're here to help them celebrate. Oh my goodness, we're excited. We have Snyder and Daniela Sanchez-Cruz. Guys, thanks for joining us. Happy birthday to the Fleet. We all love the Fleet Science Center around here. You know that. Tell me about this 50 years of being in San Diego, just educating kids and everything else. What does that mean to you guys and to the city and this whole... People have grown up with the Fleet.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So
right?
in '73, we opened as the world's first tilted dome theater and first domed IMAX theater in the world, Science Center. We've been San Diego Science Center for the last 50 years. We've seen almost 26 million visitors in that time.
Wow.
And we're going to spend this year giving thanks to everyone who supported us, all the communities, everyone who's actually helped us over the last 50 years do some great science.
26 million people. That is unbelievable.
Yep.
Raul, your kids have been there, my kids have been there.
Yes.
I think about all the times that I have visited out there, and I have several memories, but for you two who have kind of been there and working in the space, do you have any favorite memories that you want to share from the Fleet?
Daniela, I mean, I've lots of stuff that I've seen. I think the same thing for me is you go out on the floor and you'll see something that you've never seen before.
Yeah.
Some kid doing something with a device you thought was going to teach them this, and they'd find a brand new way to do it. And you get these moments where all of a sudden you see the architect, the engineer, the scientist they might one day be.
Listen, we could talk all day long about 50 years, but we need science.
Yes,
You betcha.
Let's get to the science.
Do either of us need to put on gloves or shields?
Look,
or
I
what's
got my
happening
goggles.
here? What's happening here?
I got my goggles.
I'm geared up because I have, I'm going to be handling the
You gave me
nitrogen,
this.
but you guys are going to be, you look nice and cool with that one, right? So we're going to be a little bit dangerous today, all right? Remember,
What did she say? We're going to be dangerous.
You're going to be dangerous, she said.
so what we're going to do is I'm going to pour in some liquid nitrogen in here, and you start to see it starts to fog up, right?
Hey, that's what my coffee was, Daniela.
Oh, sorry. We're going to have to figure out another way for you to get coffee. All right, so we're going to pour in here some liquid nitrogen, and as you see, it's going to get really, really cold. So we see it start to get cold. And if you can help me out, Heather, by grabbing a cork in front of you there.
Just any cork? Okay.
Any cork that you'd like. We're going to pour it a little bit more. Let's get a little outrageous.
I know. I'm like, I don't want to stand in the splash zone.
I want to pour.
No, we'll have you help us with a little bit. So I'm going to keep pouring. And what we're going to do is you're going to put that right on there. And watch out. Here it comes.
Whoa! I didn't do it right. Let's grab another one.
It's okay. I got it. I got
There's
it.
a lot of pressure
Nothing
in
will
there.
happen to you. Oh, no. That's okay.
Time's a charm.
Oh,
There we go. There we go.
So I'm going to take it up a little bit. Pick it up. Yeah, see that it starts to go. All right. So that one took us a while. But should we see what's up with this banana? So I have a banana here. Raul, you're going to help me out.
To be an older
I would
banana?
love to. Okay, what do I
It
do with
doesn't have
it?
to be an older banana, but you know
I need
what?
a glove.
Go ahead and put that glove on.
Thank you.
Okay.
And then now
I'm
what
a
we're
righty,
going to do...
Daniela. Does it matter? I'll
It's
switch it.
all good.
I'll switch hands.
It'll be okay. And then what we're going to do, we're going to use our handy dandy tool. Okay, we're going to try to see.
Handy? Is that an official scientific term, by the way? Handy dandy
Exactly.
tool. Okay.
Every term
I'm
is
nervous
scientific.
standing
as
over
long
here.
as I have
You
a lab
should be.
coat,
Let's be honest.
it's scientific.
Here we go.
Okay.
You need an high five? All right.
So
All right.
you're going to go ahead and pour that in there.
Put the whole banana in there?
Yes, you're going to pour
What's
it
it
all
gonna
the way
do?
in there. I'm going to add a little bit
goodness.
more to try to get it
Should
to
I be backing
submerge.
off?
I know.
Nah, you'll be okay.
There's a lot of smoke.
All right,
Okay,
let's
ready?
see. Let's keep it in there. 10, 9,
10,
8,
9, okay.
7, 6,
This looks like I've been
5,
behind a
4,
car and then you see
3.
this coming out. Vaping people.
I hope not.
What are we learning?
Are we learning how to preserve food?
We're going
Wait,
to go
what?
ahead and
That's the same stuff?
pour
Okay,
it out.
take it out?
Same thing, the liquid nitrogen, right?
Okay.
So we have nitrogen out in our air, right? We're going to pull it out.
Okay, pull it out.
So, see that thing gets really frozen, right? And we're going to come on over here.
You cover it in chocolate? Next.
What we're going to do is we're going to try to see if we can get it to hit. All right, go ahead and hit it. See if you can go. Go, 2, oh, keep going, keep going.
Like hard?
Try to see if you can break it.
Oh, I can break it. Yeah!
Now
told
your
you to wear
dry
a
cleaning bill
lab
just
coat.
went up.
All right.
Destruction.
So now this next one that I'm going to do is going to get a little
Daniela,
bit
you're out of control.
crazy. All right. science is all about going a little crazy sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes we gotta get messy with science, all right? So I'm gonna use that extra liquid
goodness.
nitrogen that I have, okay? So I'm gonna pour it over here.
Why does she have a shield on? We're just standing here.
Yeah, she has a shield. We got nothing.
You'll be okay.
All
You'll be
right.
okay. All right.
I still want to pour stuff.
I know.
When can I pour something? I have gloves
Oh
on.
my goodness. We'll have you help me with the water with it.
Breakfast is served.
I am going to pour in all of this liquid nitrogen in here.
Oh my gosh.
It's
Okay.
negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit.
That is cold.
Okay.
Sometimes
Oh,
it's like
boy.
that in our studio. It's that cold. All right.
Sometimes it feels like that, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to see what happens if I put some water in it. In here I have some really hot water. All
Okay.
right.
So hot water and negative 300. I can do that.
You wanna help me out? You might get
good
a little
luck.
wet though, so
I don't
I would
care.
rather ask you.
It doesn't matter. Look at me. Have you seen all the stuff I do
All
around
right, if
here?
you're gonna pour it, you do have
Oh,
to wear
wow.
the face shield.
There you go.
All right. Wear the face shield. It is gonna go pretty high up. So, are you sure you have your nice kicks on? I don't know if
It's
you want
okay.
to. Okay.
I got more
All
where
right.
that
I
came
gave him a
from.
Here it
heads up.
goes.
All right.
Three,
We're gonna go ahead and have you
two,
pour it in 3,
1,
2, 1.
Real
Pour
quick.
it in.
Yeah!
All right. Awesome job.
That is really cool.
What's happening out into the clouds too. Same thing is happening, right? We see it that it starts to build up, and we added that hot water. Those droplets start to create, and that's how we get our clouds. All
That
right?
is
Awesome
so
job.
cool. That is so cool. You
Holy
guys have
mackerel.
something going on for the big day, for the
Yes,
big
of
5-0.
course.
What do you guys have going on?
Yeah, so for our anniversary weekend, which starts tomorrow and going through Pi Day, which would be Tuesday, 3/14,
Pi Day.
we are going to flash back to 1970s prices. So $2.50 for everyone coming in between Friday and next Tuesday.
That's huge.
Sort of an anniversary piece. Hopefully we'll see all 26 million of you come on back.
How many of the pie numbers can you?
3.14159.
59. By the way,
Okay,
who's gonna
join in
clean-
whenever you're ready.
Who's going to clean this up? That's pretty nasty.
It's okay. We work with kids. We're used to it.
Yeah. We'll be right back. Happy birthday to the Fleet Science Center.
UC San Diego Health is proud to be ranked #1 in San Diego and #5 in California by U.S. News and World Report, placing us among the nation's best hospitals.
Thank you, San Diego, for nominating the remarkable